My new language. It's so great. And I would like to tell you guys that I promise I have a life and friends. And she's not one of them. But I have friends, you just don't see them in this area right now. And no, they're not up here. They're out with lives. Unlike me. 7:50 at night. Really wish it would snow. I would go run. Be like, hello. Just kidding. I'm so funny. That was rude. Just kidding, you guys. Kind of like actually like really bored. I feel like I can talk to. Okay. I need to talk to people because I look super fly. Don't be jealous, you guys. Boop. Oh! Just kidding. I wear these all the time. I'm sorry if that was unusually loud for you. I apologize. I did not mean to. I promise. But yeah. I'm sorry I'm so boring. I don't know what to do. I don't. I really don't. Look. Spinning. What are you doing to Bubbles? Little Bubbles is my computer, and Bubbles doesn't. That is hard. Can I help you? She was adopted. It's all okay. I'm just kidding. Do you know what's great? Sound effects. So like if you're in the kitchen with your mom and then like all of a sudden out of nowhere like you'll be like, hey mom, can I help you cook? And then she'll be like, oh my goodness, thank you honey, and then you'll just be like, yeah, and then like you're stirring, you're like or so, I don't know. Sound effects are just really cool. Do it all the time, 24/7, because you're just like blah blah blah. Okay, I really need to do something with my life. But I want to roll down a hill. That'd be great. Great. Yeah, so sorry I totally fail at this. Tell me what I need to do to make your life more interesting. Don't tell him that. Go stand in the middle of the room. Go stand in the middle of the room, in the living room. In the middle of the living room, where there's no. You're still near corners. Go. You are being ridiculous. Stop eating poop.
That's my Christmas tree.
She doesn't deserve it. And yes, I am in my sister's room because my room is just really cold all the time. And I'm just like, oh dear, it's so cold.
Do you
Where
like
are
my
my
seashells? Right there.
Julia.
They're beautiful.
She doesn't have friends. She has no friends. This is why she does this.
It's true.
Okay, well, you guys tell me what I need to do to make your life more interesting. And then I'll be like, and then I'll be like, oh my goodness, I could do this or something, you know. Okay, bye-bye. Bye.